everybody. Hi. So basically I just finished working out and we are going to react to TikToks only girls can understand. So let's just get off. Do you notice anything different? If you notice anything different, comment in the comment section. Like, just comment if you notice anything different. Compare this to my reacting to TikToks about Jada and Will Smith's entanglement tabletop thing. So let's watch the first one. This is so true. You never know where they've gone missing to. You never know where they are hiding. You keep looking for them. Even if you put them in a box, you keep looking for them for a very, very long time. And just one day you start finding a lot of them. Just like that. You don't know where they're from. You don't know where they've been hiding. If you relate, comment. If you relate, just comment. This one is on point. Like, it's so on point. If you know what this means, comment in the comment section, because it's so on point. This is so on point.
How girls be when they walk downstairs. How girls be when they run. How girls be when they take off their bra and lay down on the bed.
This might be the best one yet. It might be the best one yet because this is so accurate. If you know what this means, comment. If you relate, comment. If you like. Let me just play it again.
How girls be when they walk downstairs. How girls be when they run. How girls be when they take off their bra and lay down on the bed.
If you know. This can be very stressful. It doesn't always happen, so when it happens, comment, because like when that happens, it's so stressful. So stressful. Like you're trying but you just can't get it. You have to like literally break your back to get it. Next one. Danger. This one is danger. Jaja. Danger. If you can relate, comment. If you can relate, comment. So that's literally it. There are just a few TikToks and we are reacting to it today. As I said, if you see anything different in this video to the Jada and Will Smith video, comment, because it's really funny for me. So like, yeah, thank you for watching this video. Hope you have a lovely day. Stay safe and have a great day. Bye.